Welcome back, everybody. As bad as last winter was here in Montana, the coldest wind chill value that we saw in the state was up in Guildford. We had a temperature wind chill value again of 68 degrees below zero. And right now in Minnesota, wind chill values are right around 70 below zero. I mean, that is brutal. That is truly lethal and dangerous. Helena, though, fortunately, no wind. However, without that wind, we're going to start to see that cold air amassing in the lower elevations of the valley here. Inversions developing here, and a temperature of 18 right now will likely bottom out around zero once again for the valley here tonight. And here's the current conditions in Great Falls. 19, but the wind is beginning to pick up out of the southwest. That's a warmer wind direction, and Great Falls temperature over the next few days and even through the overnight hours will gradually increase. Below zero in eastern Montana, actually up here around Plentywood, we've got a current temperature of 15 degrees below zero. That is without the wind, and it's up here around Plentywood, Scobie, Opine, Whitewater, down through around the Saco area, over through Glasgow, where we've got this wind chill advisory. At times tonight, wind chills could push 40 below zero. Again, no snow though anywhere near the state here. There is some snow though moving through the Great Lakes into the northeast, but boy, this Arctic air mass really again just clipping Montana. The core of it now moving over Minnesota here. Chicago tomorrow, high temperature maybe around 20 below zero. That will be their coldest high temperature that they've ever recorded in the Windy City there. That's pretty cold. So a wind chill warning here for a lot of the Great Lakes and the Midwest and the northern plains here, and still some snow up into the northeast. FUTURETRACK, here's what will happen. Clouds increasing a little bit here through this evening. We'll have some high clouds moving through tomorrow, kind of making for a grayish day, maybe a few snow showers over the Little Belts, also the Bear Paws, the Little Rockies, the Big Snowies. Could see a couple of snow showers, maybe even into eastern Montana, but the clouds and even a little in the way of the snow shower activity. This is part of some warmer air that will be moving through the state tomorrow, and it really pushes all that cold air off towards the east here on Thursday. Tomorrow's kind of the transition day. Thursday we'll really start to feel the warmth, relatively speaking, across the north central part of the state. And then Friday, very similar. Quiet on Friday before the moisture starts to move in. Now, how much snow? Not much until we get into the weekend. Here we are by Friday. Notice really no accumulation. Saturday, it's closing in from the north and also the southwest. And then getting into Sunday, there's the blanket of snow that I've been talking about, likely several inches developing here throughout a lot of the state on Sunday. And there will be more snow Monday and Tuesday of next week as well. Last night's temperatures were pretty much cold all across the state, but not as uniform here tonight. Down single digits below zero. Eastern Montana, West Yellowstone likely close to 20 below. Again, notice Helena around zero. Great Falls current temperature 19. Thinking a low of about 16. And how about Cut Bank 25? A little Chinooking developing with the warmer air coming over the north central plains here tonight and tomorrow. Highs around Great Falls pushing 40. Same with Cut Bank and Lewistown above the freezing point tomorrow. But notice the capital and a lot of the valley locations staying in the 20s to about 30. Thursday, we'll see those temperatures warm up into the 40s. Even out in the eastern Montana, where we're currently below zero, likely getting above the freezing point Thursday, and also Friday. Roundup could even hit 52 here on Friday, but Saturday, Groundhog Day, the weatherman's holiday. We'll have a cold front coming down from the north and some moisture coming in from the southwest, and that meets here in Montana for Sunday, and it is looking like a super snowy day here for Sunday. All right, what's super? We'll have a few inches of snow coming down through the day on Sunday, but more snow, maybe even colder temperatures potentially later Monday into Tuesday. And for the Electric City, turning warmer. Enjoy it the next few days. Does come with some wind. However, we've got that snow developing later Saturday evening, continuing all of Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. 10 for the high, too.
Oh, all right, a balmy 10. Thanks for that, Curtis. And Sam, what do we got coming up next?
Well, coming up next, we're talking about one high schooler who had a bizarre accident and is now playing basketball.